Hi, I'm Eryn Chesney. I'm the copywriter and content manager at Mabel's Labels. I'm also a mom of two. I have a daughter, Lily here, who's 3.5, and a son, Leo, who's just turning 1 this weekend. So today we are going to be packing up all the essentials that I'm going to be sending to daycare. First thing I always pack is a whole bunch of changes of clothes. I pack a sweater no matter what the season. Another thing I always make sure to pack is a hat for sunny days, and I always send a bottle of sunscreen. And one great tip is to label your sunscreen, because you want to make sure that the sunscreen you prefer is the one that they use on your child. Something I have always found is nice to send as well is beloved stuffed animal, just so that during nap times or if your child's upset, they have a comfort at home. And even if your daycare provides blankets for nap time, I usually like to send one just because it will remind your child of home and be a little more comforting than a blanket they've never used before. And of course, one of the most important items to send to daycare is diapers and wipes. And instead of having to refill diapers regularly and remember to do so, I like to send a huge box of diapers on the first day so you know you're covered for a really long time. And it's also a great idea to send a tube of diaper cream so that if there's an unexpected rash, it can get taken care of right away. Packing for preschool is pretty different. I'm not going to be sending any diapers or wipes for her, but you definitely want to make sure to send lots and lots of underwear. And what a lot of people don't realize is you'll also need to send a whole bunch of socks. I'm also going to make sure to send a whole bunch of extra pants and shirts. Even if it's not an accident, there's always days where they spill something or get wet at the water table and need a change of clothes. Don't forget to send bottles, sippy cups, and a soother if your kid uses one. And just double check everything that your daycare wants you to bring. Some might ask you to bring things like a changing mat for changing diapers, so you'll just want to make sure you have everything that they want you to provide. And Lily's preschool asks that we send a pair of indoor shoes. And the number one tip I can give you is to make sure that absolutely everything you send to daycare is labeled. Mabel's Labels has an awesome daycare label pack that has lots of variety of sizes of labels for all your labeling needs. Another great pro tip is to keep a pack of tag mates by the door. That way, if you're running out and your child's insisting on bringing something to daycare, you can just slap a label on it on your way out the door. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed our daycare tips. Did we miss anything? Let us know in the comments below.